Yo, yo, yo. What is up, guys? At work, a little slow today, but I got the wheel bearing. I'm gonna take it in the shop real quick and press out this bearing. Hopefully the new one goes in, or hopefully this one comes off pretty easy so I can pop the new one in and go home later and throw that shit on my car. You guys want to be in the vlog? The homies. Alright, so once you get that snap ring off, see, that's the new one, we're going to push it out the bottom. So we're going to put this on here, we'll put something on the sides, and then push that center, and hopefully the whole bearing comes off, not just the inner race. So we'll see. So we got this little piece in there, fits pretty nicely. Yeah, it's going. It's going. I didn't think you were going to show up to the camera when making it. Thank God it's coming out. Old bearing, new bearing. Fucking vlogging, fuck.
Let's Drift Media.
Alright, before I was rudely interrupted by Michael King. Let's put this bearing in. So now that you got that out, maybe I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Alright, so the wheel bearing for the hub cleaned up and put a bunch of grease. You never want to go in dry, guys. Get this thing set up. How are we gonna do this? I don't know. Alright, so there was an old wheel bearing sitting around here. That'll be good. You don't want to put it on the studs, it'll just press the studs out, obviously. And here's the new bearing. I'm gonna just put a plate right here, start it to get it started. I'm actually gonna put the camera down so I can make sure I can hold this good. Nice and smooth. Fuck yeah. Alright, gonna stop it right there. And when you are putting the new one on, you don't want to put something just in there. If it's possible, you can push the inner race out. So I'm going to grab the old bearing, put it on top like that. Put that on top of that. That way you can push it in nice and flush. Basically want to go till it stops, and then you can put that snap ring in there. Feels pretty good. I'm gonna check it out now. We're good. We are good. So, not too bad. Not too bad. All we gotta do now is put that snap ring in there. Call it a day. Just like that. Got the snap ring in there. We are good to go. Make it on the vlog, Stevie? What do you gotta say to the vlog?
I don't know. I think he's fat.
That's what it is. That's it. Oh, fuck yeah. Wheel bearings good to go. Just gotta slap that shit back on the car and get rid of that damn growl I had, which I will do tonight. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm back at the pad right now. Got this good wheel bearing, very good. Let's throw it back on. Basically gonna be the exact opposite of what I did to remove it. So let's get to it. Alright, so it's all on there now. No more growling noise, nothing like that. Feel a little bit more peace of mind. Those coilovers are still kind of sketchy, but I've been running them like that, so until they break, I'm not gonna fix it. But at least I don't have to worry about the wheel bearings, so that's one less problem to worry about. But if you don't have a press, that's probably gonna be a pretty difficult job. But if you have a really big hammer, you could probably smack the wheel bearing out of the hub instead of using a press, but I recommend using a press. It just makes shit a whole ton easier. So that's it for today's video. Sorry it's not that long. It was just a wheel bearing, but I figured I'd make a vlog about it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, if you do like the videos I bring you guys. Till next time, peace!